My name's Sheri, and I've been coming to Main Image for about a year and a half. It's been wonderful. Leslie and her team are just amazing. Hair issues for, 10 plus years. And it's just been progressively getting worse. I looked in the mirror one day and I said, I'm fucking old. It's time. I had Googled something, and then how Facebook, the algorithms, they always give you the whatever you don't know that you want, it always pops up. So Leslie's ad just, kept popping up on my feed, and I'm like, I better check this out. It helped. Oh my gosh. I'm not, hiding out at home anymore. I'm able to go out and feel much better about myself. So when I came in, I had no expectations because I didn't know what to expect. So she showed me all the different options that were available, and she recommended what she thought would be the best route for me, and I agreed. So we took molds of my head and my hairline, and she sent it off to Italy, and it took months and months to come back, and then I have my beautiful hair. From the moment I came here, I felt that she was always looking out for my best interest. It wasn't about, the money. It just about she was wanting to help. Do it. It's amazing. It's a night and day difference. Just do it.